my channel. So today's video we're going to be doing these knotless braids, very much inspired by Tiara and also coileray. So I've been seeing the trendy heart with the knotless braids look, and I wanted to go ahead and give it a try. So I'm gonna show you guys today how I achieved this look. So with no further ado, we are going to get into the video. And if you like the video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. I already washed and dried my hair off camera, and it just helps make the style last longer when it's already clean and detangled. Because I'm doing my own hair, I always do the parts first. I don't do the parts individually because I can't see my whole entire head, and it just helps when you part your hair first versus doing individual braids when you're already doing your own hair, because you don't even know if it's going to be slanted or not. This way you know that all your parts are even before you even start on your hair. And I like for my parts to be neat and clean, so when I am using my rat tail comb, I do put some shine and jam on the part just to give it a clean line and a clean look, because if it ain't sharp, it ain't a part, period. Okay, we're done parting, so now it's time for the braiding process. With the braiding process, you want to make sure that you have even thickness on your braids, and that just means that as the braid is being braided down, you just want to make sure it's just the same size. Sometimes when you make braids, it'll be thick at the start and then it'll start to thin out. So to avoid that, I add hair when I start noticing in the grip of my hand that it's starting to get skinny, because we ain't doing that over here, sis. We need this to look professional, like we went to the salon. First, I start by putting shine and jam around the perimeter of my sectioned hair. Next, I smooth it to the middle and separate my hair into 3 equal sections, left, center, and right. Then I start to braid my natural hair once. Then I group a piece of braiding hair in between the center and right section of the hair, and I continue the braid down and add extra braiding hair when I need to. And I think each braid has at least 4 pieces of braiding hair added in. So there you go.